Welcome to our Mireo single attached unit. This single attached unit gives you a 3-bedroom, 1 utility room, open living and dining, kitchen area, 2 toilet and bath, a carport area, of course a service area sa likod, and yung garden dito sa may harapan. Pwedeng-pwede pa. O, diba? This single attached unit also comes with a 1.8 kilowatt basic capacity grid tie solar panel system. So, ano pong hinihintay nyo? Visit us here at Permira by Kilan and see for yourself ano ba ang meron kay Mireo single attached at 87.81 square meter ang floor area. Visit us here now. Thank you.